welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 19th of August. And first of all, national news. Delhi neglected for long time now being decked up for G20 Lieutenant Governor. Minister unhappy with officials reply to auditor on Dwarka Expressway sources. Vistara flight delayed for 8 hours at Delhi airport over 3 bombs call. Art director Nitin Desai delayed loan payments from 2018 end. Edelweiss officials to court. Now international news. Ready to stay in jail for 1000 years if necessary, Pak ex-PM Imran Khan. Indian-American US Vivek Ramaswamy is running for US president. New COVID variant found in US, 2 more countries, WHO. Over 3.5 million people lost millionaire status globally in 2022, a report said. Biggest ad agencies now using AI, artificial intelligence, ChatGPT to cut costs, increase productivity. Donald Trump's lawyers push for 2016 trial date amid his re-election campaign. Now sports news. Kohli, Rohit won't stay for long. Harbhajan Singh's blunt World Cup selection day. Javelin thrower Kishore Jena got Hungarian visa, vows to give his best at World Championships. ICC welcomed Jasprit Bumrah on his return to competitive cricket. Chennaiyin Football Club registered their third consecutive victory in Durand Cup. Chelsea signed teenage Southampton midfielder Romeo Lavia. And now some business-related news. Tata Communications challenges centers rupees 991 crore license fee demand. Rupee fell 1 paise to close at all-time low of 83.10 against US dollar. NLC India Inc.'s pact to supply 300 megawatt solar power to Rajasthan. Jio Financial Services to be listed on stock exchanges on August 21. Provide borrowers option to switch to fixed interest rates, RBI told to banks. M&M got rupees 14.3 lakh penalty notice for incorrect input tax credit claim by erstwhile arm. Now science related news. ISRO released new images of moon captured by Chandrayaan 3's Vikram lander. Can't have frugal engineering alone, need bigger rockets, ex-ISRO chief. Lander Vikram sent first pics of moon after detaching from spacecraft. And that's all in news. Thank you.